I want to welcome you to our lesson 2 on matrices. I hope you are able to do the exercise that I give you. And by now, you should be able to state the order of a matrix. You know what matrices are? Matrices are, or a matrix is an arrangement of numbers, a rectangular arrangement, in which the position of, of the number and the value have a meaning. They are significant. And each matrix is supposed to be written and you're supposed to put it in brackets. So today I want us to go further and we look at addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. The first thing, as per the objectives, is you should be able to know the compatibility, what we call the compatibility of uh, the addition or the subtraction. Matrices can be added or subtracted, compatibility. How do you know that they can be added or subtracted? So matrices can be added or subtracted if they are of the same order. So if you have two matrices that are of the same order, then such matrices can be added, such matrices can be subtracted. Otherwise, they will not be compatible. So if you have matrices like 3, 4, 6, 7, you add to negative 3, 14, 21, 29. So the first thing you are supposed to do is to check the compatibility. How do you check? They must be of the same order. So here we have a matrix which is order 2. The rows are 2, the columns are 2, 2 by 2. The other one is also 2 by 2. So they are of the same order and therefore they can be added. They can be added. And the way we add, we take the numbers which are at the same position and we add them. So here we have 3 here and we have negative 3 here at the same position. We call it A1, matrix A1. This is B1. So we add those two. So 3 plus negative 3, you will get 0. You get 0. Then 6 plus 14. 6 plus 14, you get 20. 4 plus 21, you get 25. Then 7 plus 29, you get 36. And don't forget, matrices must always be in brackets. So there you have your matrix. This is order 2 by 2. You are adding to another one, which is order 2 by 2. And the answer is a 2 by 2 matrix. So when you add matrices or you subtract matrices, they must be of the same order. And the resulting matrix is also of the same order. The resulting matrix is also of the same order. Let's take another example. Evaluate 4, 5, 8 minus negative 7, 9, 2. First of all, check the order. Let's check the order. How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3 for both matrices. So that is 3 rows. How many columns? 1 for both matrices. So what is the order of that matrix? This is a 3 by 1 matrix. Can it be added to a 3 by 1 matrix? Yes. So we just add. So 4 minus 7 is 11. 5 minus 9 is -4. And 8 minus 2 is 6. So you can see the resulting matrix is of the same order, 3 by 1. Don't forget to put the brackets. Every matrix must have a bracket. So can we be able to add these matrices? This is the third example. Can we be able to evaluate this? Plus -7, 9. Is it possible to evaluate that? Is it possible? Can you add those matrices? The answer is no. Reason being, they are not of the same order. This is a 2 by 1 matrix. This is a 2 by 2. This is a 2 by 2. Because the rows are 2, the columns are 2. And then the other one is the one which is 2 by 1. 2 rows, 1 column. So we say that the answer here, they are simply incompatible. They are incompatible. So that's how we know, or we can be able to add or subtract matrices. First of all, they must be of the same order. Then each character is added to the corresponding character in the other matrix. I would like you to go to exercise 8.2 in advancing book 3, and you do questions 1 and 2. Exercise 8.2 in advancing book 3, you do questions 1 and 2. So we end our lesson there. We meet tomorrow as I give you the next lesson. Thank you.